and now TBG Bridal Expo is happening, and we have many brides participating in the expo today. Our brides are more interested in taking celebrity makeup, airbrush makeup and HD makeup, and I'll take you there, and you can see our makeup artist giving trial makeup to all the participants, and we're expecting more brides to come and participate in the event. Because we have so many good collections in the jewelry section, and we have mehendi artists, we have 5 celebrity makeup artists, and the best part is all the makeup artists who came today are able to do the airbrush makeup, and you will get a fine trial makeup done for free. I mean, and also they are giving so many offers for those who are taking trial makeup today. And also 2 fashion designers are here today. So the fashion designers, you can take a consultation, and you can also understand your body type, and you can even ask them for the reception makeup dress and suggestion and all that.
I was little blank, and moreover, like I have seen some other workshops too, but I didn't get anything which I was thinking for. So now I'm satisfied. I came to know about TBG from through FB. So when I saw that, I was much interested to come and take part in it.